Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to check hide apps. Friends, you want to check your phone hide apps. Okay, how to check hide apps today friends I will show you, I will tell you. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, you can see guys I have guys 4 5 5 15 and 16 apps guys. And friends I have hide apps. So how can I check hide apps? So friends I will click phone setting. After on phone setting friends, scroll it. Friends, click on privacy setting, and friends click on hide app setting. Enter your privacy password friends, and friends you can see I have hide. Friends, you can see hidden apps guys. We can check from here guys which app guys you have hide. Friends, you can check, and which app guys you want to unhide guys, you can unhide from here guys. Tap here and get this app will unhide on your Realme phone. Friends, you can see unhide. Tap here guys, this app will unhide on your Realme phone guys. So guys I have hide many apps. So guys now I will unhide this app. Friends, you can see this all app will unhide except guys YouTube only. YouTube guys I will hide. So as you can see this app will unhide, and friends you can see now friends we have all app here, and friends YouTube is not here because guys we have hide YouTube. So when you want to unhide, so again click here phone setting and get direct search here hide setting. Hide app, click here, into your privacy password. Friends, hide app, click which app friends you have hide, you can check and you can unhide from here. After unhide friends, now you can check if YouTube will unhide on Realme phone device, and friends we can use YouTube app. So like that friends we can use hide app setting on Realme phone device. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video guys.